Oh, okay. I'm back. All right. I had kind of a moment earlier, and I messed up. So we ended with work is equal to force times distance, which is equal to the change in kinetic energy. For some reason, I forgot to use that equation, so I'm going to start over. But first, we got to do one little thing. One little thing. The one thing that we didn't calculate with that ball going 3 meters high, the height was 3 meters. The initial velocity was 7.7 um, meters per second. We did not do this funky equation here to find the time, to find the actual hang time for the ball to go all the way up and all the way down. Time of the ball. Forgot that little piece, which is huge, which is what this whole thing is about. How do you compute a hang time? We're looking at all kinds of other factor physics things going on here with LeBron James, but let's calculate this. All right. So here's the funky equation that we use. We use the final height is equal to the initial velocity times time minus 1/2 gt squared. That's actually the formula that we're going to use. It looks scary, but it's not. Because look, he went up, the ball went up, and the ball came down. Okay? So what's its final height? 0. And that's equal to 7.7 times t minus 1/2 of gravity, which would be 4.9 times t squared. Solve for t. Uh-oh. Damn, a quadratic equation. Now we can plug this into a quadratic, but look, factor. Remember that? Probably never thought you'd use that once you got out of 8th grade. Factor. So we've got 0 is equal to 7.7t minus 4.9t squared. Aha! We've got this. So we can go, okay, let's factor a t out. So 0 is equal to t. I'll pull the t out of there and pull the t out of here. Is equal to 7.7 minus 4.9t, right? Well, when t equals 0, that's true. So that's one answer. Now, when 7.7 minus 4.9t is equal to 0, there, now we've got to solve that. So we've got 4.9t is equal to 7.7, and t is equal to 7.7 divided by 4.9, which gives us 7.7 divided by 4.9. Now you're going to do that with LeBron James, and that comes out to be 1.57 seconds. Yeah. So you can see right away, I mean, that was a legitimate thing that we just did. Threw a ball 9 meters in the air, and it's only in the air for 1.5 seconds. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. So you can see why human beings cannot be in the air. Nobody can jump 9 feet high. Raise their center of mass 9 meters. That's impossible. You can't do that. All right, so pause here. Now we'll go look at the